Hey, what's going on, Jeff? My name is Joe. I'm sending this video to you as promised. Just wanted to point out a few things that'll hopefully help you boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and in return, start bringing in those leads you're missing out on so you can continue to grow your awesome business. Right. So first things first, this is what comes up when I type in your URL into the search bar. So I'm not sure, what's going on here. Looks like the DNS records aren't set up correctly, so your website isn't going live. I don't know, who's in charge of this, but I would definitely get this fixed as soon as possible. I will compare you to your competition website, show you what they're doing right, and then how you can beat them, start taking their leads to your website. Okay, but definitely get that DNS records fixed. Okay. So first of all, Google loves content. Content is super important to Google. It's super important that you have a lot of good quality content on your home page and your back pages. For example, Google is looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page alone. Now, obviously, that's a lot of words, and very few people are reading 2,000 words, right? But Google is, and they're going to know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has, a couple hundred words on their home page. Make sense? So when we're scrolling, Google's reading the words, they're counting them, making sure it's good quality content, and they're only coming up with about 530 words on this guy's homepage. Okay, so you could easily outrank his homepage just by throwing in that 1,500 to 2,000 word goal Google likes to see, right? Another thing that's really going to help you is adding in keywords. Okay, and keywords are what people are searching for on Google in this area, right? So the more keywords you're ranking for, the easier it is for anyone looking for your services to find your website. Okay, so definitely recommend doing that as well. And then lastly, Google loves big built-out websites, right? So that means the more pages you have on your website, the better, right? And we can see this guy has a big built-out website, right? All of his services are on their own pages. Okay, so definitely recommend doing that as well. Come in here, count how many pages that he has, and then add that many to your website. On his service pages, Google's still looking for good quality content, and they're looking for about 500 to 700 words on your back pages. Okay, this guy's doing about a little over 300 words it was. So you can easily beat him in this area of his website as well, just by throwing in that 500 to 700 word goal Google likes to see. Right, so pretty easy, right? Pretty straightforward. Add pages, and then on those pages, add good quality content. Next thing I was going to talk to you today about was going to be the map pack, right? But you're already in the map pack, right? So awesome job there. Good work. You obviously don't need any more help getting into the map pack because you're already there, right? So good work. We'll scroll past the map pack and we'll get to the organic ranking. Okay, that's where these keywords come in. So here's a keyword right here. Once you start ranking for this keyword along with many others, your website's going to pop up toward the top of the organic ranking, making it super easy for anyone looking for your services to find your website, right? And that would be awesome if we could get you in the top of the organic ranking because you're already at the top of the map pack, right? So that'd be pretty sweet. Moving on to backlinks, right? Backlinks are super important. This is what helps pass power to your website, and at the end of the day, this is what's going to help you rank to the top of Google. Okay, you can have an awesome looking website, but if you don't have power from the backlinks, your website's going to stay at the bottom of Google and nobody's ever going to see it. So that's where backlinks come in. That's why they're super important. As you can see, this is your competition's information. They have 215 websites pointing back to him through a clickable link, right? That is a backlink. To beat him and get more powerful than him, I recommend going out there and getting, 300 to 400 good quality websites to point back to you. Okay. You can also see how many keywords he has. 2,000 keywords, which is really good, right? Definitely want to rank for as many keywords as we can, and he's doing just that, right? So since he's doing everything right that we just talked about, he's bringing in a little over 1,000 leads per month to his website, right? Just by doing those three things we talked about and by being on top of Google, right? So pretty awesome, okay? Definitely shows you the potential of having a top ranked website, right? And we come over here, this is your information, right? So you can see the numbers have changed. You have only 2 websites pointing back to you through a clickable link, okay? Only 39 keywords. And because of these numbers, you're bringing in only 1 lead per month to your website, okay, when you could be almost or over 1,000. Okay, so definitely something to think about. Once again, we talked about content, citations, and backlinks. I hope you liked the video. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions. Call or text 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you, so I'll call you tomorrow. Make sure you got the video, and hopefully get some feedback. But other than that, thanks for watching. Have a great day.